Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we review and compare the latest tech products. Today we are going to compare two of the latest AMD processors that have been making headlines in the tech world. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews. If you are on a tight budget, then the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X is a great option as it is priced at $309. On the other hand, if you have a higher budget and are looking for the best performance, then the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X priced at $899 is the clear winner. With 16 cores and 32 processing threads, the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X processor is ideal for creators and gamers who perform highly complex tasks requiring a lot of processing power. The AMD Ryzen 5 5600X with 6 cores and 12 threads, on the other hand, is perfect for gamers who do not require as much processing power as creators. Both AMD processors are capable of delivering elite 100+ FPS performance in the world's most popular games. However, the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X outperforms the Ryzen 5 5600X in multi-core performance, while Ryzen 5 5600X performs slightly better in single-core performance. The AMD Ryzen 9 5950X does not come with a cooler, so you will have to purchase one separately, preferably a liquid cooler. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X comes bundled with the quiet and capable AMD Wraith Stealth Cooler. The AMD Ryzen 9 5950X has 72 MB of cache and is unlocked for overclocking, making it a better option for people who want to push their processors to the limit. The AMD Ryzen 5 5600X has 35 MB of cache and is also unlocked for overclocking, giving it a decent overclocking potential. Both processors are compatible with advanced socket M4 platform that supports PCIe 4.0 on X570 and B550 motherboards. Hence, there is no decisive winner in this category. And that is it for our comparison video of the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X and AMD Ryzen 5 5600X. Both of these processors are excellent choices depending on your budget and requirements. If you are a heavy user who needs more processing power, then you should go for the Ryzen 9 5950X. But if you are on a budget and do not need as much power, then Ryzen 5 5600X is the perfect choice for you. Don't forget to leave a comment and let us know which processor you would choose. Thank you for watching.